Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to clear RAM cache of your Windows 10 or 11, 788.1 computer or laptop. It is a very easy process, and by doing this, you can make your PC or computer faster by clearing cache of RAM. So I show you first, how to check the cache of RAM. Right-click in the Start icon, and then go to Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, at the left-hand side you will see Performance tab and click it once. And here you can see that under the memory, which is actually the RAM. Here you can see the cached, so you can clear it in very simple manner. You just need to install a simple software, and I show you it to you. And also I will put this link in the description below. It is absolutely okay to use, nothing anything harm, and you can simply download it. That is called RAM Map version 1.61. Here you need to download.
The download file should be extracted like this and install it.
Click on Download, and you just need to open it, and here you will find the application RAM Map 64, and here is the 32-bit application. I use 64-bit, so I double-click and extract it to suitable place. And here we go, another RAM Map 64, and say yes, and need to click on Agree. Once you install this, you will see a window like this. File, Empty, Settings and Help. So I will show you how exactly it's working. Open your Task Manager. So here it mentioned 3 GB RAM cached, and here RAM Map open. Then I just need to go to Empty menu and select and click Empty Standby List. And here you can see it will drastically clear within a sec. This is how you can clear the RAM cache. And you can keep the software and use it where you want. So I hope this video will be a very usable video for you. So please like and subscribe my channel for more important videos necessary for you. If you have successfully cleaned up RAM cached, let me know by putting a comment